Hello my friends, it's Mujiba here. Today is the 28th of January 2025 and I'm going to be investing £1,600 into my Trading 212 Stocks ISA. I've logged into my Trading 212 account and I'm in my Stocks ISA section. And the first investment I'm going to make is in this pie that I've set up called 20k in 6 months. Okay, I have available cash of £1,600 and 4 pence in the account. And if we look at this pie, 20k in 6 months, and the holdings in this pie consist of Realty Income, Global X, Nasdaq 100 covered call, and Global X S&P 500 covered call. So these are the 3 assets inside this pie. And I'm going to make the investment now. I'm going to invest £1,400 into this, £1,400. So if I click on invest and take that up to £1,400. £1,400, and fund distribution is self-balancing. So it's going to go into all 3 of these assets. So if I click on next, and we are ready to go, and click on confirm. Okay, it's saying your request will be processed after the following markets open: the New York Stock Exchange, which is going to open later on. So I'm going to set it up now. Okay. So if I go into the holdings, I can see that £1,400 and 2 pence will be invested later on today. And the next investment I'm going to make is in monthly mega dividend machine. And if we look at the holdings on this one, the holdings are Armour Residential REIT, AGNC Investment, Dynex Capital, Ellington Credit, Ellington Financial, Horizon Technology Finance, Orchid Island Capital, Oxford Square Capital, Pennant Park Floating Rate Capital, Prospect Capital, and Stainless Capital Investment. These are the assets within this pie. And in this pie I'm going to be investing £200. So if I go to overview, invest, and I'm going to be investing £200. Okay, £200 and 4 pence. The 4 pence was left in my account from previously, so I'm going to be investing this. And the fund distribution is self-balancing. So if I click on next, we are ready to go. Confirm. Okay, it says your request will be processed after the following markets open. So some of the assets within this pie are in the Nasdaq, and some of them are in the New York Stock Exchange. So when these exchanges open later on today, the investment will be made. So I'm going to set up the investment now. If I click on OK and go into holdings, I can see that £209 and 91 pence will be invested, because I had some money, cash within this pie from previous investments and returns. So all of that is going to get invested today when the markets open. So these are the two investments that I'm making today. I'll set up the investments. So 1400. Okay, this is investing. So £1,400 is going into the 20k in 6 months pie, which consists of realty income, Global X Nasdaq 100 covered call, and Global X S&P 500 covered call. And the next one I'm investing in is this pie, which is the monthly mega dividend machine. And I've set up £209 and 91 pence to be invested into these assets, and this will be done once the market is open. So I've set up my investments of £1,600, and this is going to get invested later on in the day, and some of it is already gone into these assets. So some investment has gone into this Global X Nasdaq 100 covered call and Global X S&P 500 covered call, and the rest of it is gonna go into realty income when the New York Stock Exchange is open later on. And these investments will be made later on as well. So this is my investment for today, all set up. £1,600 going into my trading 212 stocks ISA. So this will be my last investment made into my trading 212 stocks ISA for January 2025. And if you look at some of the pies that I've set up, most of them are in the green, and some of these pies have gone into the red. That's because a lot of tech companies in the USA went into the red because of DeepSeek, the DeepSeek AI app coming onto the market, and that's made the value of a lot of US stocks, technology stocks, gone down in value. I'll cover that in another video, but this is what's caused these pies to go into the red. So if you look at ones that have gone into red, if I click on this one and go into the holdings, so if you look at these AI and tech related stocks, they've gone into the red. So we've gone to another one. You can see these have gone into the red. So I'm not going to do anything with these. I'm going to leave these in there and let them ride this wave, and eventually they should bounce back and go into the green. So that's my investments set up for today. Thank you for watching the video.